We're on.
Alright.
Slayer's channel.
Hell yeah. So, all within about an inch group.
Little hole in my foot.
Boom! Boom!
To the black guy's foot. Yeah, those are fucking easy. Take out Mr. T. They went in through the top and ended up in the bottom.
If he does. Alright, here we go. We got a new AR on the range. First time shooting her. See how accurate this thing is. I don't like the sight, by the way. Oh, does it suck?
Yeah, the ones that come on there, the stock ones do suck.
Trying to stay to the far left, middle. I'm trying to stay in the same grouping, but it's not working. I like that. Here, I got something for you. Well, I got my 22 here with a red dot. Here, we'll have fun with this instead of wasting ammo.
Yep.
You may want to put your ears on. This is going to be loud as fuck.
I just need one. I'm fine.
I wouldn't do that.
It's alright.
Okay. Are we recording? Okay. Alright guys, we just took the scope off my 22 and put it on here. Let's see if we can... Hey Brent.
Good grouping.
Right on dot? Right on the dot.
shooting in your same grouping.
You like
Much
that?
better, yeah.
Right on.
That has to have the same thing somewhere.
Yeah. Much better. That red dot
Yep.
doing much better.
There's probably 4 or 5 right through there.
Yep. And you hit the steel a couple times. Right on.
Unexpected excitement.
Yeah. All right.
Favorite gun.
Yep.
Told you, Wayne's a Glock hater. Even after you sent me that video of how good a Glock is, you still hate him.
You got another mag loaded?
Where's it hitting? The 2 bottom dots?
Maybe.
To the left of the neck and low, those 2.
Yeah.
Just to the upper left corner. Ow. Ow.
Yeah, go for it. 9mm Makarov.
Nice.
Damn! Fonze was a 380.
Oh, there's one more. Yeah, this
Get closer, cause those sights suck.
Oh.
Now rack one back. There you go.
See all our handiwork back here. What are you looking for?
My 9.
Oh, so you had it in the truck.
Alright. Alright. This is what I like about this. Light trigger pull. Accurate. And that's the 9mm Makarov. Hope you guys are enjoying range day. I got a couple more guns coming. Stay tuned. All right, now we got Fonz with the shotgun.
Reload, reload, reload. Damn.
Out. And that's the 12 gauge Remington 870 collapsible stock on range day, October 30th. Fonz shooting a waterborne 12 gauge. Boom! Oh!
Oh shit, we got more.
Yes, we do. Brought to you by Federal. Nothing says shotgun like Federal.
Safety zone. See you look.
Oh, damn. That's nasty. That's better. The zoom was halfway in. Aw.
That's it.
Damn! Again?
Oh!
Look at the smoke coming out of that.
No, it's not there anymore.
Of course not.
As soon as we start talking about it, it disappears.
Oh no. And that, people, is what's been happening all fucking day. The shells aren't wanting to come out.
That's it.
But she is getting dirty too. Hell yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah, go for it. Fonz with the 22. Empty. Yep. Go check your group.
Put it through the tape.
Sweet. You're getting better. All right, that was fun shooting. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah. All right, let's do this. I love 22s. I say it's dead on.
Look at the mess we made.
And that's after taking this scope, putting it on an M16 and taking it off and put it back on my 1022.
Look at the mess.
And I didn't even redo the zero or anything. Oh, that dude got obliterated. Burr, burr, burr.
He got fucked up.
Damn.
And that pizza box, man. Jeez.
This concludes the range day, October 30th, 2015. I would like to thank everybody that made this possible. Fonze, the camera guy, Brutal Charlie, the guy that owns the property, my dad for helping me with this ammo and all the reloads that I made, and my buddy Brent for coming out with his AR and his 38 Special and his Glock. I appreciate everyone's support and helping me with my channel. And sorry it's been a couple months, or not months, but a couple weeks. I'm just now finally got on vacation, and I'm finally getting my ammo supply again. So once again, thank you for watching, and keep it brutal, and I'll catch you on the next Slayer's channel.